Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Ruchita Batra and today in this video I'm going to show you how to make a U-loop. So I have some dimensions for the U-loop, that is 15 millimeters length and 5 mm of width. So I have a 21 gauge of wire and I'm going to straighten it now. You have to just roughly straighten it. It should not be like roll hona chahiye wala straighten, but it should be just roughly straightened. So I'm just going to make a 90-degree turn, L bend. I'm just going to make a L bend now. Now I will be marking the length of the U-loop, that is 1.5 centimeter or 15 mm. So it's this one. This should be the length of our loop. Okay. Now the width of the loop should be 5 millimeters. So I'm just going to mark more like 5 mm. So I have to complete the bend in that portion. So now I'm going to take the universal plier and I'm going to hold the plier just before the first mark I have made, just above it, and then make a small turn. Okay, and then again you should always check the plane every time you make a turn. So you can see the loop has been made. You just have to make small turns, and you have to keep in mind that the turns you are taking should be in one plane. The plane should not change, so you should always keep that in mind. Now the other end of the loop, I'm going to mark it till 1.5 mm, and then I marked it, and then I'm going to make another 90-degree turn here. Can you see I have held the plier just below the mark I have made, and I'll give a 90-degree turn. The plane is changed, so just manipulate the wire with your hand. If you just manipulate a bit, it will come in plane. So this is the U-bend, U-loop we always use. Just check it on the scale once, and the width is also 5 mm and the length is also 1.5 centimeter, that is 15 mm. So there is one more method you can make the U-loop. You can just take a graph paper and you can draw it on that. You can just draw it on it, and it will be more easier to mark the points on the wire. So you can see it's exactly the same as I've drawn it here. So you can use the either graph paper, or you can also use the scale, whichever you are comfortable with. So